No, move it. No, that's my parking spot. God damn it. Hello, Nicholas.
Yo.
That boat is crazy.
So it's working right now.
Who's not past me already?
Oh, you guys braking here in the middle of the
You
railroad.
make blue xenon. I mean, blue fog lights on that thing.
People are still joining down.
Yes,
Yeah,
go
couldn't be.
shuts off to protect yourself from burning down. Literally happens. This is not cool.
Can I take the M3?
Just join
No,
you guys.
Oh,
Suzuki. You can
Do
go.
I lead the way?
You can go.
You will always lead the way.
Alex can catch up. Alex, shut up. I don't want to hear radio. God damn it.
Radio.
What are you doing?
Oh shit.
It's a radio. 2021. Gustav, are you recording?
Yeah.
Okay, so I have to be mindful
People
of what I'm
are
saying.
lagging a lot.
It feels like slow motion.
Yeah.
I'm not lagging up here.
Yeah, if you don't get stuck in the middle of the pack, it's alright, actually.
I'm very happy that I'm leading.
Oh, there is a car suddenly in me.
Gustav, why are you driving all over the road?
Oh, there he is again.
What did he say?
You're driving all over the road. Are you in the Subaru? Oh wait, no, that's Adam. My bad. Sorry, Adam.
Please.
Alright, I'm here.
Just and Tommaso are lagging.
Yep, I'm lagging very much.
Please. Thank you.
Do you have 2 FPS?
No, it's just everything feels like slow motion.
So you have 2 FPS?
No, I have like 30 FPS, but every player and me.
I'm quite happy. I have 62 right now. You should have 200.
Jasper, please.
Wait, I'm gonna pull up.
Please, yes. Step.
What?
What?
One?
Right, guys at the front, please slow down.
I'm doing 100. No, wait, no, my compass on my car. Hang on. Hold on.
Jasper, you're lagging like crazy, dude.
Yep, there was suddenly a car in me.
You did this, guys. Oh, fuck, Thomas is behind me. Break test.
Okay, Suzuki, can you slow down?
I will.
We are slow.
I'm going down to 60.
Oh, I don't see you.
Snow, if Thomas tries to overtake, please don't let him. I don't want that guy. If you can, in a proper manner, avoid him overtaking. Not cut him off, just avoid him. I will do some stupid things. Yes, I will. Can you flash your high beams if you hook us now? I
Wait,
take that as a yes.
aren't you at the front?
Yes, but Thomas is 2 car lengths behind.
Alright.
That position.
So I didn't mean to stop.
I did dirty. I'm afraid they got some in my car. First. Shit.
Oh my god,
Mercedes, you're lagging. You're lagging. Mercedes, you're lagging so bad. 911 on
Mercedes.
oh
Mercedes.
no 911 Ti something. You're lagging very bad. I forgot the name. Sorry. Yeah, 911 something. I forgot. Not
it's
even
not
Where's
left,
Corona
so-
4S STS? Which one?
His name is Tyler. Oh, Silver Arrow is lagging as well. Was it just me?
Nope, this is not doable. I'm gonna leave.
Alright.
Changing my settings, maybe that will work.
Suzuki, I don't see you again, dude.
What?
I don't see you again.
The big goal. Flipping goal.
Hi.
Oh, Nicholas, what have you done?
I tried drifting in the front of the drive. Hasn't gone so well.
Did you just say drifting in a car?
Yeah, it has a
You just pulled the handbrake. Your front
insane
wing is
handbrake,
sticking
bro.
That's sliding.
Yeah, but whatever.
I get
You know what I mean.
Yeah.
Alright, guys, I'm gonna pull over next time with graphic photos. Yes.
I'm calling that there's gonna be crashes.
Yes.
Sorry.
Snow, why are you indicating?
Here, get online, get online.
I
There you
almost
go.
fucking crashed the whole thing. Jeez.
Okay, Suzuki, you wanna pull over at the journey fanning
Blow up here.
thing?
Yeah.
Nicholas.
Uh-oh.
Bring down my bad boys. I know Snow, okay? Don't flash me.
Sorry.
Oh shit. What? I can't, huh? Pass me. Shit. Something just happened to me.
Okay,
I
I'm
pressed
just
the
gonna
wrong
say
key and
goodbye
then-
to my computer in the last 6 going to die now. No, move it. No, that's my parking spot. God damn it. Hello, Nicholas.
Yo.
That looks too. Did you just pull the handbrake?
Sorry. Go first.
That was natural, Nicholas.
My bad.
That looks so
I just binded the clutch today on keyboard. Interesting.
Wait, what did you do?
What?
What did you just do?
I just binded the clutch because I didn't have it bound in keyboard.
Tough. There you go.
That's alright.
Okay.
Oh.
Sorry.
Because this passed me.
Hey guys! So it's working right now.
Gustav, pass me already.
Oh, you guys braking here in the middle of the
Just
road.
make blue sin on it. I mean, blue the fog lights on that thing.
I don't
Yes,
know
why?
why, but your C63S sounds
that
like
was
a
fun.
4-cylinder. I don't know why.
That's gonna be a nice video.
It's
Let's see how what the difference. Yeah, you can hear them.
Whoa! Whoa! I got rear-ended. I got rear-ended by the GT.
Oh,
yeah, I think the GT was lagging.
Yep, it just came around like behind me and just got rear-ended. Is that Nell?
Yes! Fucking dick!
Don't rage quit. Don't
holy
rage quit.
background.
Good call, Mel.
The GT Trident is so freaking annoying.
Oh yeah, I see him.
My rear end is so
Should I take him out? Should I take out GT2?
What do you mean by taking him out?
Nah, forget it. I don't want to kill myself as well. Nigga, stop staying behind my rear. Jesus, this is not a race game. This is not NASCAR. This is a fucking fruit.
What?
And you just sit behind my ass.
Kan vi overveje at skifte vand, sådan så at folk rent faktisk...
Ja.
Don't talk Danish. Don't talk Danish.
If you really
Damn it, you're coming.
I don't know.
I told you.
Bruh, I guess okay, no, no, no. Can we change the map so people stop driving like fucking retards?
Yeah, please take that.
Agree.
Yeah. See? It's 3-4-1. You lost democracy. We are. Just kidding, it's a dictatorship.
just have to anything.
Gustav, Højsløb, Putin. What?
ACP is just gonna be cancelled.
Yes, it's gonna be way too small.
I'm good.
Put it on Lake Lewis.
Not that Lake Lewis is better than LA Canyons.
Lake
It
Lewis
is.
is all big.
No, because LA Kansas has grass and everything.
If you going left, alright, I'll
and
do it.
way bigger roads.
Oh, for
they
fuck's
would
sake.
be better.
What happened?
Fucking clips, bro. Would have been so sick.
Plus LA Canyon sucks if you get hit off-road. It doesn't do that on Lake Lewis.
Just keep this
It's
one.
better than ACT, honestly.
I mean,
Canyon.
it's laggy, but it's... I don't have a really good PC and it's bearable. Holy fuck, this Merc.
They're trying to kill me, isn't he?
Not fucking with this guy.
Yeah, Gustav.
What? Let me pass, please.
Alright, that's
I
it.
don't wanna die.
I'll do my race move. You guys stop waiting behind me!
To catch up.
There you go.
Tommaso. Hang on.
Oh,
This S-Class is a fucking dust, bro.
he's stubborn. Do you think Slopey's stubborn? What do you think? Do you think he's stubborn? Oh, here comes Hopper. Oh yeah, fine. Let's go slowly, let him catch up. Go up 60. 60. Let him catch up. Someone said range, Alice.
Dude, what the fuck?
What?
Jasper, bro, you're really laggy.
Yeah.
Braking.
Lost
So
him.
close, bro.
We lost him.
Ah, jeez. I'll be back.
Oh,
Lost the pista.
Oh, sorry. My bad. I
was
hit the
just
handbrake
waiting
once
for you
again.
in front.
Oh, it's focus.
I have like the most fucking uncontrollable setup in this one.
Oh
just
my
so
god, how
can
did I do
fucking
that?
turn.
I'm sorry.
Wait, where's the pista?
I'm back.
Italia.
Oh.
I ate spaghetti, now I'm heavy.
Wanna race, Nicholas?
Let's go, bro. What's your power? Are you in the RS7?
700.
Jesus, GG.
Traffic jam. Uh-oh.
My back end is... When I
Back
press
what?
the brake,
Old?
when I press the brake, it literally just...
Stiffen up the suspension, move the brake power and brake bias, I think it's called.
Well, yeah, I put the brake power up, and that's probably why it happened.
No, that would be why your ABS is fucking up your car. You should probably
Ah,
lower the
ABS
center of gravity.
is not fucking...
You sure?
Yeah,
Then,
I
then you
I
can make
have
it higher.
years.
Right or left?
Straight.
Left.
Yeah.
You can't go right. It will be a dead end.
Stand up in the middle.
Nice, baby.
Oh, these guys are lagging.
Yeah. Don't do dangerous driving, alright? Don't do it.
See you, Jasper. Yeah, I ran out of fuel. Fucking.
I'll be sitting at 120 kilometers an hour. Is that good? Or should I go faster?
That's it.
Let's go.
Let's go faster.